Hi everyone, Mike from Yas here, and I'm here today to bring you 8 tips to help you reach your online marketing goals in 2020. Normally you see Zach in this chair, but today you get me. I wrote this content, so I'm producing the video. Let's dig in. I know that every business out there is looking to grow and stay ahead of their competition. I've never met a business owner that said to me, my numbers were okay last year. I think I'll just do the same thing. No, everyone's looking for that new tactic or technique to help them stay ahead of their competition. So here's my list. Number 1, optimize your Google My Business account. Almost every business should already have a Google Business listing. Google automatically creates these by scanning Yellow Pages and other business directories when businesses are formed. If you're a newer business, you may not have a listing already, but whether Google's created you one or you haven't already, you can go to business.google.com and claim your listing to begin optimizing it. Your business listing will show up when anybody searches for a keyword in your city, followed by the keyword or preceded by the keyword. When people make such a search, Google will first show a local map pack. This is where there will be 3 to 4 business listings with a map and buttons to go to your website, call, or get directions. To optimize your listing to appear in this list, there's a few things you can do. The first is to complete everything that Google asks for you within your listing. This will include your contact info, website address, description of business, location, hours, all of that great information. Get that entered. Also, add quality photos and videos. You can set pictures for the interior of your office or location, exterior of your office location, logo, as well as upload videos describing your business if you have them. You can also list all your services on your Google Business listing. This is actually somewhat of a new feature. So if you haven't been on your Google Business listing lately, make sure you log in and add these services. Also, create a post. Google lets you to create a post on your business listing. This will show up like an ad or a article right on your business listing. So when people see your listing, they'll see that ad. I could probably write a whole article about optimizing your Google Business listing, but Moz has done a really good job. So I'm going to include a link within the blog post below. Number 2, use clear calls to action on your website. Far too often I get to a website and it's done poorly. I scroll down the page, read some content, and I'm not directed to do anything next. Take some time and review your website right now. As you're viewing it, are you directing your visitors to where you want them to go? Are you asking them to take action? For example, if you have 3 blocks of text on your homepage about the 3 different services that you have, do you have a learn more or contact us now or book appointment buttons under each of those services? If not, you're not directing your customers to take action regarding that service. So, key places to look for calls to action would be at the bottom of the page or the bottom of key paragraphs or lists where you can direct people to take action. It's always important to direct people, or else they're going to make their own decisions and do their own thing. Number 3, use lead magnets. If you're looking to grow your email list, you'll add a box on your website that says something like sign up for our email list to get our latest news. Let me tell you, this doesn't work. If you're looking to collect email addresses from people, you're going to have to give them a better reason to give them your email address. To do that, we recommend using lead magnets. A lead magnet is something valuable that someone will get in exchange for giving you their email address. Typically, something valuable might be a video series, an ebook, or anything that provides value to somebody when they give you their email address. It solves their problem. For example, on our website, you'll see that we give away a video series as well as a workbook to help you attract more traffic to your website. This has been quite successful for us, so go check it out. Number 4, create video. Video is an excellent tool for you to be able to describe your business and provide educational articles for people. As you see on our website, we're using videos on our homepage and now on most of our blog content as well. We're not doing this just because we like creating video. We're doing it because it works. When somebody's searching for something, they often start at YouTube. They'll find a video there, watch it, and take it in. It's much easier to explain something, and it's much easier to intake when you're watching a video versus pictures and text. Try it, it works. Number 5, be more transparent. Optimize your about page to be more personal. When people get to your website, they're going to check out your about page. Our team page is our second most viewed page on our website. When I get to an about page and all I see is generic fluff about an experienced team and doing great work, I skip right over. I want to see who owns the business, who works on their team, and find out more about them. You're a local business, so feel local by creating a team page that has information about your people and your team. If you're not comfortable putting pictures on there, just include bios, but make sure people know it's not a faceless company. Be personable and you'll see better results. Number 6, have a square logo. Every website has something called a favicon. This is a square logo that shows up in the tab above your website browser when someone's on your website. Google is now also showing this in their business organic listings. So when you search for something in Google, they'll now list the websites along with the square logo for each business next to that listing. If you don't have a logo, you're not going to stand out. You'll see these little icons next to every listing. If you don't have one, your listing actually can be affected by that. We don't know the extent of that yet, but having a logo will help you get noticed in Google's business listings. Number 7, chatbots. If you're like me, you're probably noticing chatbots on more and more websites. I believe this is because chatbots makes your websites more engaging. When someone's on your website and they're reading through your content, when they have a question, they can simply ask the question immediately. The chatbot is going to be in the bottom right corner for you to quickly ask a question. Definitely saves them time for having to find your contact page or contact form to submit a question. The other benefit is they get an immediate result. So if you have the manpower, add a chatbot to your website. It'll definitely help it make it more engaging and help you generate more leads and questions. There are a lot of free chatbots out there that you can add to your website, so the cost is minimal. Some of the free ones that we'd recommend would be talk.to, that's TAWK.to. There's also a Facebook Messenger chatbot that you can add for free right now. And as well, the last one would be Pure Chat. Number 8, the very last tip, utilize LinkedIn. Over the past few years, LinkedIn has made big strides in improving their platform and making it the place to be to connect businesses with other businesses. I know I've been utilizing this platform way more now. Just like Facebook, you need a personal account and a business account. Some of the things you can do to utilize LinkedIn to its fullest would include connecting with anybody on LinkedIn that you meet at a networking group or business meeting. As soon as you meet them and get their business card, look them up on LinkedIn and connect with them. This helps them remember you. Also, when you create a post on your business page on LinkedIn, share it with your personal account. Most likely, you'll have way more followers on your personal account than you will your business page. So this gives you much more exposure to help you build your brand on LinkedIn. Create LinkedIn articles. Either write unique new content for LinkedIn specifically, or repurpose old blog posts if you have them. Creating educational and informational articles on LinkedIn can help get you a ton of exposure. Lastly, you can interact with your sales prospects' posts. By either liking or commenting on these posts, they'll remember you and choose you next time they're looking to make a purchase. If you're like me, over the past few years, you will have noticed that when you post on Facebook, the reach you get on your business page has been going down. If you want to get exposure on Facebook, you most often have to pay to boost that post or pay for ads. LinkedIn is a great place for you to get new exposure directly to business people that you're looking to get in front of. In conclusion, no matter what marketing tactics you employ this year, I suggest that you be consistent and persistent. Being consistent just means that no matter what you're doing, keep your brand on point. Make sure that your messaging and your branding is always consistent, no matter what platform you're marketing yourself on. And being persistent just means never giving up. Try something, learn, improve on it, do it again. That's what it means by being persistent. Thanks for listening. We'll see you again next time.